Let us see how to make the Medu Vada. Let us quickly look at the ingredients required. We'd require to soak 1 glass of Urad Dal completely till the brim. I have already soaked some Urad Dal for this recipe. I drain the water completely and add this to a mixer grinder so that we can grind it into a nice thick batter. Now you can see our batter is ready. This is a very important step to show the consistency. You can see that once I put the batter into the water, it tends to float, and that is when you know that the batter is ready. We now take the batter and add the rest of the ingredients. We add 3 spoons of rice powder, some salt, some hing, some jeera, some pepper, green chilies, and some curry leaves. We nicely mix it using a ladle so that the Medu Vada batter mixes consistently. Parallelly, you get the oil ready, and now we're going to shape the Medu Vadas. You can see the unique way in which I'm shaping the Medu Vada. Follow the same method so you get the exact size and shape each time you prepare the vada. Slowly slip it into the oil, and you will see that the Medu Vadas are shaping up and nicely getting fried.